What's going on? Ankush Mittal here. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make up to $300 every single day, even when you are broke, you are 15 years old. Okay, you do not need any money and you can make a bunch of money, and even you can make money on complete autopilot as well. Okay, so what you need to do, we are going to talk about this in a minute, but before, if you really think that this video is going to be great, then smash the like button now. And if you are new to the channel, on this channel you will find videos like making money online videos and our business related videos. So if you are into those things, you should go and subscribe the channel now. And after you subscribe, you can also comment like I have subscribed, so that I can reach out to you and thanking you and welcoming you to the family. Okay, so now without being delayed, over here I'm going to show you the method how you can make up to $300 per day. What we are going to do, we are going to reach to the local business owners and we are going to ask them for their service, for the services. I'm going to tell you in a minute what kind of services are you going to provide. You do not need any skill for that. Okay, so you are going to reach out to them, and every day you just need 1 or 2 clients maximum to make $300. Okay, so we are starting this process over here from you need to go to the site and just this is basically a search string. You just need to type like a logo needed, or you can also do like website needed, whatever you want to sell, whatever service you want to provide, and thereafter site colon and craigslist.org. so what it will do, it will reveal all the results on the craigslist.com, craigslist.org. Okay, so I have after searching this, I have found this one. I have clicked this, and here is the result. You can see company needed logo, looking for someone to professional design over here, and their compensation about $100. That's great, you are getting $100 over here. There's another example. Okay, I needed a simple logo design, just 35, but they are paying $35. But who cares? We are not gonna to have even 5 minutes to do this. Okay, I'm gonna to show you how you can create that how you can create that logo, or how you can get it done. Okay, and you can also reach out to these business owners over here, and you can search out like small business owners, new business owners. There are lots of business owners. You should search like small business owners, because that will be great over here. You can provide them websites, you can help them to rank their website. I'm going to tell you everything in a minute. Okay, just like new local business owner, local businesses. Okay, local business or whatever it is, you'll find a tons and tons of you can write down over here city name over here. Okay, just like Milwaukee. Okay, okay. You will find tons and tons of groups. You just need to search for it, and after that you will find tons and tons of groups. Over here there is no group just like this, but you will find you need to find local businesses. The best way is Craigslist, and you do not need to do any effort. You just need to search over here and you will find. Okay, after that you are going to send them a message, something like hello sir, hello, actually I have seen that. Hey, hey, I have seen I have seen that you need a logo. You need a logo. Generally, generally I charge over. Generally I charge over $1,000, or even I charge about $500. But I want to build my clientele. That's why I'm gonna do. I want to build my clientele, so I'm going to provide this for just $300. That's what you need to do. It's that simple, and anybody can do it. You need to send them a simple message, and they are going to be ready for it. But now comes the part over here, how you can create a logo, or how you can get it done. The first thing you can do, you can ask for them 50% payment upfront. Then you do not need to invest any money, and you can come over here on the logo design on the Fiverr, and you will find over here logos. And the second thing you can do is come on the canva.com, and you can create simple logo over here. Just you need to click over here, and the page will open like this. Okay, you can find over here logos absolutely for free. For example, this guys need simple logo, so you can create a logo. It will literally take you 5 minutes. You can just take this and you just need to change the text, because he's asking for a simple logo. Okay, and if you want, let's say he's kind of plumber, you just need to add a tap over here, water tap, and whatever it is. It's that simple. And over here you can get tons of logo finder. For you'll also get about $5, and I'll create a professional logo design for you for $5. It's that simple. You can ask them that you are going to give them bulk orders, and they will be ready for it, and they are even going to provide it for $3 to $4. So you are just getting logo for $3, and you are giving them $500 for $500. So this is called arbitrage, and you can make literally big money from this without having any skill. But remember, it's a number game. The more and more you are going to reach, the more and more successful you will be. That's the simple, guys. If you want more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and after you subscribe, you can also press the bell icon so you do not miss any of the video. Okay, and at last, thanks for watching.